Have you ever felt like you have to keep going no matter what? Like if you stop, your family, your work, everything you have built might just fall apart. I get it. But what if I told you that even the divine shows us there's another way? Every year on Devshayani Ekadashi, Lord Vishnu, the protector of the universe, chooses to rest. He enters Yoga Nidra, a divine sleep that is not an ordinary sleep but an enlightened stillness. Even while he rests, he stays aware of the universe, our world. He is quietly rejuvenating himself and at the same time keeping everything in balance. Why does he do this? Because Vishnu knows that to hold the world together, he first has to care for his own heart, his own well being. He doesn't try to fix everything before resting. He doesn't think that if I don't do it, who will? Instead, he trusts, he delegates, he lets others rise. And during these 4 sacred months of Chaturmas, many divine beings step up to take care of the world. Guru Purnima comes first, when our gurus, saints, and sages guide us, reminding us of gratitude and wisdom. In Shravan, Lord Shiva himself holds the universe steady. During Bhadrapad, Lord Krishna lovingly cares for the world. Our beloved Ganpati Bappa watches over everything for 10 days during Ganesh Chaturthi. In Pitru Paksh, our ancestors, our Pitru Devtas, nurture us and the world for 16 days. Then comes Navratri, when the fierce and compassionate mother, goddess, protects and heals our world for 10 days. During Diwali, Lakshmi and Kuber Dev care for abundance, light and hope. And yes, finally in Kartik month, Kartikeya, son of Shiva and Parvati, steps up with courage and leadership. It's like a divine relay. Each one comes forward saying, I will take care of the world. Now you rest. And when Lord Vishnu awakens on Devutni Ekadashi, it's like a cosmic sunrise. The awakening ends the period of stillness, bringing fresh energy, blessings, and it's the perfect moment for us to start new ventures, pray deeply, or set powerful intentions. So if the protector of the universe can rest, delegate, and trust others, why do we believe everything will collapse if we step back for a while? You don't have to carry everything alone. You don't have to be everywhere all the time. Let your family, your loved ones, your team, your own divine volunteers rise and share the load. Because life doesn't need you to keep running on empty. It needs you to pause, breathe, and come back stronger, more loving, and more present. Vishnu lets go, others rise, and the world continues to thrive. Maybe it's time you did it too. So, what does your divine rest looks like? Maybe it's taking a day to switch off your phone and reconnect with yourself, or maybe it's spending quiet moments in prayer or meditation to recharge your heart, or letting someone you trust handle things for a while so you can simply breathe. Whatever you choose, trust that it's not selfish, it's sacred. Take that time, come back stronger, and watch your universe light up with new energy and love.